We intend to end chronic homelessness in Charlotte-Mecklenburg by December 31st, 2016. So why take on such an audacious challenge? Well, there are several reasons. One is the chronically homeless are among the most vulnerable people in our community. What that means is we're talking about people who've been homeless longer than a year continuously, or they've been homeless multiple times over the last 3 years, and they have some disabling condition that contributes to their continuing to be homeless. They are, in fact, the ones most likely to die on our streets if we don't do something.